So you've probably seen this ad. Restore your hair. Nothing worked before? That's because it never reached your follicles. And now this product called Basis Hair Regrowth System claims it can fix that with something called micro-infusion technology. Sounds impressive. But is it actually real, or just another overhyped Facebook product? Let's break it down. According to the ads, Basis works differently from everything else. They say, no pills, no topical solutions sitting on the surface, just direct delivery into your scalp. And inside they list ingredients like green tea, rosemary, caffeine, copper peptides and growth peptides, nutrients for scalp health. Plus, they claim this micro-infusion system pushes everything deep into your follicles. But here's the problem. When you look closer, things start to feel off. First, this isn't unique. People on Reddit notice that multiple companies are selling almost identical devices. Same design, same idea, just different branding. One user even said, seems like several companies private labeling a common product. Second, the 70% off tactic. That's a classic marketing trick used to create urgency and push impulse buying. And third, lack of real credibility. No strong clinical studies tied specifically to this product. No well-known dermatologists backing it. And very little long-term user proof. Now let's be fair, the ingredients themselves are not fake. Copper peptides and green TDO have some scientific backing. They can improve scalp health, support circulation, possibly slow hair loss. But they are not a miracle cure. Even compared to something like minoxidil, studies suggest results are temporary. You need continuous use. And effectiveness is not necessarily better. So if you stop using it, the hair gains usually disappear. That's something ads don't clearly tell you. Here's the honest takeaway. The idea of microneedling plus serum delivery is interesting. But Basis itself? It doesn't appear to be a breakthrough product. It's more likely a rebranded device with common ingredients, marketed as something revolutionary. And that's why people are skeptical. Even Reddit users are saying, I like the idea, but I'm not buying until there's more proof. So is Basis a scam? Not necessarily a total scam, but definitely overhyped and not the miracle solution it claims to be. If you're dealing with hair loss, be careful with products like this. And if you've tried Basis or something similar, drop your experience in the comments. It could help someone else avoid wasting money. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest reviews.